Artificial intelligence is entering a new era, and at the center of it is Claude, developed by Anthropic. More than just a chatbot, Claude represents a powerful shift towards AI systems that can think, write code, and even act as digital co-workers. Across the global IT industry, tools like Claude are dramatically accelerating software development, cutting costs and enabling even non-programmers to build complex applications. What once took teams of engineers can now be achieved by individuals working alongside AI. Today, we are going to see why India's IT giants are growing concerned over Anthropic's Claude co-work. The global technology landscape is undergoing a rapid transformation following the launch of Claude Co-work, an advanced agentic AI platform developed by Anthropic. The tool has triggered widespread concern across the IT industry by automating tasks that were traditionally outsourced to large service providers, particularly in India. Since its debut in January 2026, Claude Co-work has sent shockwaves through global markets. The platform is designed as an enterprise-focused AI workspace capable of independently planning, executing, and automating multiple step tasks directly on users' system, effectively functioning as a digital employee rather than a simple assistant. The disruption intensified on January 30th, when Anthropic introduced 11 advanced automation plugins that significantly expanded Claude Co-work's functionality. These plugins allow the AI to autonomously execute workflows that were previously managed by large offshore teams or enterprise software platforms such as Salesforce and ServiceNow. By integrating directly with enterprise systems, Claude Co-work has begun to eliminate the need for multiple layers of human interventions and software dependencies, marking a shift towards highly automated AI-driven operations. Investor concerns quickly translated into market volatility. On February 3rd and 4th, the Nifty IT index recorded its steepest decline since the COVID-19 era crash, reflecting fears of large-scale disruption in the IT service sector. Major Indian IT firms saw a sharp decline in their stock prices. Infosys fell by around 8%, Tata Consultancy Services dropped roughly by around 7%, Wipro declined around 5%, HCL Tech fell between 4 to 6%, LTI Mindtree lost about 6%, and Coforge dropped by around 7 to 8%. In a single trading session, nearly 2 lakh crores in market value was wiped out, underscoring the scale of investor anxiety surrounding AI-driven disruption. A major inflection point came with the introduction of Claude Co-work's legal automation plugin, which highlighted the AI's ability to handle complex, high-volume documentation tasks. The system can process contracts, NDAs, non-disclosure agreements, and compliance workflows. This capability has raised serious concerns across legal tech, SaaS, and IT services industries, as work that once required large, specialized teams can now be completed within minutes. The development has reinforced the perception of AI as a direct substitute for both human labor and traditional software platforms. The implications are particularly significant for India's IT service sector, valued at approximately $250 billion. Speaking at the World Economic Forum, Dario Amodei, the CEO of Anthropic, warned that AI could soon perform nearly all tasks handled by software engineers, a prediction that now appears increasingly realistic. India's IT industry relies heavily on labor-intensive outsourcing, including software maintenance and testing, data processing, contract analysis and compliance monitoring, customer support, and business process outsourcing. Claude Cowork directly targets these categories, making the threat immediate and tangible. Industry analysts suggest that AI tools like Claude Cowork could fundamentally alter the outsourcing models. Instead of supplementing human teams, such systems may replace large delivery units altogether. Additionally, there is growing concern that billing models may shift from effort-based to outcome-based. Profit margins could shrink significantly, and demand for traditional outsourcing services may decline. Claude's ability to directly interact with enterprise systems also reduces reliance on platforms that IT firms typically integrate and maintain, potentially eliminating entire layers of value chain. The scale of disruption has prompted strong reactions from financial institutions. Jefferies described the situation as SaaS-apocalypse, reflecting fears that AI agents could undermine both outsourced IT services and enterprise SaaS platforms. Globally, the emergence of Claude Cowork is being viewed as a defining moment, signaling how quickly artificial intelligence is evolving from a supportive tool into a full-fledged replacement for conventional software development and IT service models. As enterprises begin adopting agentic AI systems at a scale, the industry faces a critical inflection point. Claude Cowork exemplifies a broader shift towards automation-driven operations, where efficiency gains come alongside significant disruption. For now, the message is clear. The rise of AI is not a distant possibility. It is already reshaping the foundations of global IT ecosystem. But this rapid progress comes with a serious question. Experts warn of job disruption, cybersecurity risks, and growing dependence on intelligent machines. As companies race to adopt AI, entire industries, especially IT services and outsourcing, are being reshaped in real time. On a broader scale, Claude signals a turning point in human civilization itself, where intelligence is no longer exclusively human, but shared with machines. The big question now is that will AI become humanity's greatest productivity partner, or it's the biggest disruption ever? This is the AI revolution, and it's just getting started.